So children, welcome to our channel. Chapter number 2, inverse trigonometric functions we are going to start. So basic concepts we are going to introduce now. Then based on this, we will see the, what is that, example sums. Seriya? Right. So basic concepts na, you should learn about number of functions and its domain and range we have to see. Generally, trigonometric function na, there are 6 functions, right? So here inverse trigonometric function is the topic. Inverse trigonometric in the sense we know that sine inverse, cos inverse, like that. So for all the 6 functions that we are going to see what is domain, what is the range. Okay, right. First here in this column I will write functions, and here domain. Yes, this one is what pa? Range. Okay, right. So there are 6 functions. First y is equal to sine inverse x, same manner cos inverse x. So domain of sine and cos will be same da. What is that? Closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Here also minus 1 comma 1. Same da. Understand? But range will be differ. Range will be differ. So range of sine is what? Closed interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2, and here closed interval 0 comma pi. How we are giving the range, sir? Na? For this value highest number. What is the highest number we are getting for a sine inverse, cos inverse? That is our range. Sine biggest number na what will say? Plus 1. Least number na what will say? Minus 1. Okay, that is what the big number 1 we are giving as a highest, and smallest number minus 1. That is our, what is that, domain. So where you will be getting 1 and minus 1. So sine 90 you will be getting 1, sine minus 90 you will be getting minus 1, like that. So based on that only we are deciding our range and domain. These things we have seen already in 11th standard. Okay, the continuation of this we are looking here. Next, what is that? Y equal to cosecant inverse. Cosecant inverse. So sine reciprocal than cosecant. Okay, not cosecant inverse. Sine reciprocal cosecant. I am not talking about what is that, inverse. Okay, right, fine. So that real, all the real number it will be coming. All the real number in the cosecant value, because cosecant big number it will be even sometimes root 3 by 2. Even 2 also will be coming. Okay, the big, all the big number will be coming here. But only the minus 1 comma plus 1 we have to remove from here, because when you substitute that in one of the value you will be getting not defined. For example 0 if you give, what you will be getting? Not defined, right? So like that 0 where all you will be getting, that you have to remove. So here that sign interval you just remove in the open interval. 1 can include, minus 1 can be included in the real number, but between minus 1 to plus 1 what all we have, that we have to remove. Okay, and next, what is that? Same minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2, where we are getting what is the not defined, that you remove. So cosecant 0 is a not defined, so that I am removing here. Understand? That's it. So you just compare, same cosecant da, sorry, same sine da we are giving here, same sine da I am giving, but where you are getting not defined, that alone we are removing. That's it. Understand? Right, fine. And same that secant inverse x, same now what you got. See, when we are giving domain, sine inverse, cos inverse we give same, like that. Cosecant inverse, secant inverse also same only. Okay, so same minus 1 comma plus 1 we removed, and here same the 0 to pi, where you getting a not defined for the secant, that we have to remove. Where you will be getting 90, amava. So that 90 you remove, that's it. So that 0 to pi, in that pi by 2 I am removing. Pi by 2 I am removing, because pi by 2 I am getting not defined. Understand? Next portion is what? Sorry, next function is what na? Tan inverse x. So tan inverse is the real number, full real number. Like that, even cot inverse x also full real number. So here what? Because y full real number na, highest number it's not defined. Not defined means how much we can able to write, till that you can write for tan and all, so that all real number can come here. So where you will be not defined in the tan na, 90, tan 90 not defined, I am right. So tan inverse when you write, the range in the open interval you have to give minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2 open interval you have to give. So minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2 in the open interval I am giving. Open interval in the sense it does not include in the x, means that what is that y value if you take as a pi by, sorry, what is that, you cannot take y by 2 sorry pi by 2 as a y value. Okay, this y values and all you cannot take when we have a open interval that number. So pi by 2 it is there now in an open interval, pi by 2 you cannot take as a y value, like that. Then what is the x? X will be domain. Okay, range na y value, range means y value, domain means x value, that you don't forget. Okay, same manner here, open interval 0 comma pi. So how you see, you can compare this, same sign I am giving for tan inverse, but open interval. Same cos I gave even for what? Yeah, yes, even here also same, even here also, but it will be cot inverse will be open interval, and secant will be same close interval, but where it is not defined that we are removing. Same manner sine, sine also what is that we are giving here, but open interval. You can compare all those. By comparing you can read very easily, understand. So these things are very important, you have to memorize all those things. With the help of this only we are going to see what is that sums, understand, right. So basic concepts now, that's it. We will enter in the graph. First you should learn graph of the what function is very important in the second chapter. They will ask either in 2 mark or MCQ, sometime may come in case study. Okay, so these things are very important. So graph of inverse trigonometry functions, let's see. Okay, graph of trigonometry functions we have seen in 11th standard. Have you remember that? So we are going to see that opposite things. Okay, so graph of sine I am going to give here. So what is that? Graph of sine inverse x, that is y equal to sine inverse x we are going to see. Okay, so what is the domain? What is the domain for sine inverse? Can you tell me? Domain, yeah, very good, minus, yes, domain equal to minus 1 comma 1. What is the range bar? Yes, close interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Okay, like this. So this is the general, but when you draw what is the diagram, you can take till 2 pi also, means the one full rotation you can take. We have to make a table for this first. When you draw the diagram, you just give a general table, that will be very useful for drawing it. Listen children, x, y, standard values alone will take, standard values alone will take. So first I will start from 0 degree. What is 0, because minus 1 to plus 1 only. So where you will be, for what angle you will be getting 0, for what value you will be getting 0, 0, minus 1, plus 1, like that standard value I am taking. And few things also you take, where you will be 90 you will be getting 1 now. Then 1 by 2 also will come in, and what is sine inverse. Okay, and root 3 by 2, even 1 by root 2, what all possible you take everything. Okay, standard values. So here what you have to think now, for what value of, for what angle you will be getting these things you have to see. For what angle you will be getting 0? Sine 0. So that is the reverse. Okay, yeah, here minus pi by 2 when you give, you will be getting what is that? Minus 1, because we have seen that in 11th standard sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Have you remember these things? If I am giving a minus pi by 2 here instead of theta, you will be getting minus pi by 2, so that minus 1 you will be getting, like that. So for what angle you will be getting 1? 90 degree, means pi by 2. Okay, here 1 by 2 for what angle you will be getting? 30 degree. How you will write 30 degree? Pi by 6, pi by 6. Root 3 by 2 na 60 degree, that is pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3. 1 by root 2, 45, 45 means pi by 4. So pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 6 and all extra values da. So standard values we will take, that is a better actually. Just a minute. Suppose this is my y axis and this is my x axis. Okay. So y dash, x dash, if I am taking na inverse function. So x values and all what actually? Number value. Okay. So sign where it will not cross, -1, +1. So this side you take then +1, here you take -1. So sin inverse never cross these things. Okay. Here we have a 0 degree, sin 0. Okay. And next what I am going to take in the positive place, pi by 2. What I am going to take in a pi by 2. Next what I will take? Pi. Next what I will take? 3 pi by 2. Next what I will take? 2 pi. Okay. Right. These things. This is the what is that values which I gave. Right. Fine. Here in the negative side what are the? Minus pi by 2. Same manner minus pi. Same manner minus 3 pi by 2. Same manner minus 2 pi. Understand? That's it. So, sir, we have used many values, but these things and all extra, sir. Whether it is a need or what? No need. Standard values pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Only this will take. Other things and all extra. If you want, you just keep it as it is, or else we'll go extra things. Not an issue. Means the standard values will take. Standard values now what I said, only this small values and all we don't want. The big values you take. What is that? Pi, after pi by 2 pi we can take, then 3 pi by 2 we can take, like that 2 pi. Same manner in the negative side, minus pi and minus 3 pi by 2 and minus 2 pi. What my dear? Minus 2 pi. So this value is the standard value. Okay, sir, but table values and all for this we don't have idea. Does anyone have na? Very simple to remember. Sin 0 what? Sin 0, sin 2 pi, this and all same value. Sin 0 what you got? Same the sin 2 pi. Sin 0 0 in the sense sin 2 pi also same. Like that here you will be getting 1 pi, 3 pi, all odd numbers, all even numbers. Then even sin pi also you will be getting same answer. So generally what you can say, sin n pi equal to 0, n belongs to integer. Okay, n belongs to integer. This is one result. So that pi value, sin pi what ma? 0. Sin 2 pi also what ma? 0. Sin minus pi what ma? 0. Sin minus 2 pi what ma? 0. Very simple. Okay, like that sin pi by 2. So pi by 2 what is the answer? Sin pi by 2 what is the answer? Sin pi by 2 what is the answer? 1. Very good. Sin pi by 2 what is the answer? 1. In opposite what you will get na? Opposite than 270, that is 3 pi by 2. So whatever you getting answer, opposite negative. Here also sin 0 0. Sin pi minus 0. Minus 0 0 only. So that I didn't change anything. Here sin pi by 2 1. Opposite minus 1. What you will be getting pa? Minus 1. So that 3 pi by 2 equal to minus 1. So that 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Okay. So here a sin of minus 3 by 2 what you will be telling? Already as per the formula one minus will be coming outside. Here one minus, sin 3 pi by 2 one more minus 1 equal to plus 1. So here plus 1. We understand? Like that you have to what is that? Identify what all required. Then you plot, you will be getting correct graph what you need. Okay. First 0 comma 0. First what are Raja? 0 comma 0. Yes, here 0 comma 0. If you want you just plot, not issue. Next minus 1 x if you take na negative pi by 2. Okay va? So what you will be getting pa? Negative pi by 2. What I am getting? Negative pi by 2 va? Minus pi by 2 na negative pi by 2. Where it will be? Minus 1 minus. It will be here. And plus pi by 2 na plus 1 here. okay, and x value 0 na, y value pi, it means on the axis, and x value minus 1 na, y value plus 3 pi by 2, then what will be pa? Where it is 3 pi by 2 here, negative value here, so it will be here, okay. So you have to join all those things. Next 2 pi on the axis, same manner you have to join. See, when you join you must be very careful here, you have to go like this, okay. So till 1 you have to go, you have to come here like this and put arrow, same manner in the negative direction. What is that? Minus 1 na, plus 3 pi by 2, that is under we have done. 0 to 2 pi also done. Next this one, 0 comma minus pi, 0 comma minus pi na on the axis, 1 comma 3 pi by 2, plus 1 minus 3 pi by 2, okay, here. Next 0 comma minus 2 pi on the axis. So how you will be? Like this, okay. This is our required sine inverse graph, understand. So y equal to sine inverse x graph. So while looking the graph itself, you have to identify whether it is a sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. Sine inverse will pass through origin O, so this you can keep it in your mind. Cos inverse will not pass through O, then tan will pass through origin O, okay. So like that you have to compare all the diagram, how it is passing. If you compare na, you will be getting in your mind how we can draw the diagram. It is very, very important 2 mark, not only sine, even remaining all the 5 graph also very important. So everything we are going to see one by one. Let's see the second graph. Now we have seen that sine inverse of x, second cos inverse of x, the same manner we will go, shall we? Right. So graph of y equal to cos inverse x, we are going to see. What is cos inverse domain pa? Cos inverse domain minus 1 comma plus 1 in the close interval. What is the range pa? Cos inverse range, yeah, close interval 0 comma pi, close interval 0 comma pi. These things you must have idea, understand, right? Then normal table work da. So general table you just draw. So standard values alone will take, don't want to take like that small values and all you avoid. So only what is the 0 degree, pi by 2, first positive value, after pi by 2 pi, not 3 pi by 2, pi, and 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, same manner negative side, it means minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, later minus 2 pi, all the values we need, okay. Now see where you getting 0, sorry I wrote x y wrong, then here you will change, this is y, this is x, when you write you just rewrite, so actually x only we have to give, but we have given opposite, okay. Then y value if you are giving 0 degree, now what is the cos 0 degree Raja? Cos 0 1, cos 90, sorry cos 90 0, cos pi na minus 1, means this you remember, I told you 0 degree what you 0 2 pi same, like that pi 3 pi will be same, 3 pi I am not going. So cos 0 what you got, cos 0 what you got, same answer than cos 2 pi, understand. But opposite what we have pi, pi na what you will be getting, opposite sign minus 1, there plus 1 opposite side minus 1, same manner here 90, that is pi by 2, so cos 90 what pa, cos pi by 2 what pa, cos pi by 2 1, opposite side what you will be getting, opposite side what you will be getting, 0, very good, okay. Cos pi by 2 0 na, opposite what you will be getting, minus 0, minus 0 na 0 only, minus 0 na what Raja, 0 only, not a issue, understand. So these things if you remember na, very easily you can complete the table. And one more thing you should remember, what is that, cos of minus theta equal to what pa, plus cos theta, plus cos theta, for cos theta, not for cos inverse, right, cos inverse is different. Okay, 3 pi by 2 what ma then? 0. Because pi by 2 0 na, 3 pi by 2 0. We have seen here. Understand? Right, next 2 pi what we getting? 0 degree what? Same than 2 pi. Means 1. Negative side what you will be getting, that you will see. So cos of minus pi by 2 what you will be getting pa? Yeah, 0. Okay. Like that minus pi na? Plus 1. Understand? See here minus pi is there, but cos of minus theta you will be getting a plus the. Cos of minus theta you will be getting cos plus theta. So that here also what you will be getting then? Plus 1. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos pi. Okay, cos of minus pi equal to cos pi, that means minus 1. Minus 1. Means here we have mentioned here. Cos minus pi equal to minus 1. Same manner this side. Cos 3 pi by 2 na 0. That we have seen. Cos 2 pi na? No. Cos 2 pi. Yeah. Cos of minus 2 pi is equal to cos 2 pi. 2 pi value we are given here, which is a 1. Okay. So 2 pi value, even minus 2 pi or plus 2 pi 1 da. Okay va. Cos minus pi da we have a minus 1. Cos minus pi da we have a minus 1. Even cos of minus pi if you give also, cos of minus pi equal to cos pi, again it will become minus 1. So that's it. This is the values we have at present. So by using this, let's draw the diagram. Chariyappa? Right. So first what is that? This is my y axis and x axis. So this is my what actually? Y dash, x dash. Okay va? So y, this is 0 degree. So here plus pi by 2. Okay, this is 0. Pi by 2. Here what are Raja? Pi. This will be 3 pi by 2. Here plus 2 pi. Same manner in the negative direction. Minus pi by 2. Minus pi. Minus 3 pi by 2. Minus 2 times pi. So here greatest number 1. Smallest number minus 1. We have a domain here. Okay. Right. That is I have mentioned. Now we can draw the graph for this. Okay. We can draw the graph. First 0, 1. I mean y value 0, x value 1. So x value 1 na, y value 0, it means on the axis. On the axis. Y value 0, x value 1 na on the axis. Even x value 0, y value pi by 2. That is also on the axis but on y axis. Okay. Pi value, what is the x value minus 1, y value plus pi. So plus pi minus 1, here it will be. Understand? Next x value 3 pi, y value 3 pi by 2, x value 0. Y value 3 pi by 2 here, x value 0 on the axis again. And y value 2 pi, x value 1, x value plus 1, y value 2 pi, it will be here. Understand? So how you can start? You can start here then. It will be going like this. Okay, like this. So it will be coming down this side. Minus pi na 0, minus pi by 2 na 0, minus pi na minus 1, minus pi na minus 1 this side. Next what is that? Minus 3 pi by 2 0 on the axis da. Minus 2 pi na plus 1, minus 2 pi na plus 1 here. So you bring it. That's it. Okay. It will be coming down. So you put arrow. Okay, this is equal to what pa? This is y equal to cos inverse x. This is y equal to what pa? Cos inverse x. You can notice that cos inverse not passing through origin. Have you noticed? Here it's not going. But the sine inverse graph it's passing through origin. Have you noticed it? Like that only you have to identify. Okay, well, like that only you have to identify. Understand? Right, very important. Here it touching the 1. Amava, at 0 degree touching 1. But here at 0 degree where it is 0 only. Where it is reaching 1, where it is reaching 1, when pi by 2 it is reaching 1. So that and all if you compare, then only you can remember these two diagram. Very important. Like that we can see remaining 4 also in the next class. Okay. First you copy this. Thank you.